Okay, here we have example 3. And example 3 says of the 8th graders at the Paxson School, 7 played basketball, 9 played volleyball, 10 played soccer. 1 played basketball and volleyball only. 1 played basketball and soccer only. 2 played volleyball and soccer only. And 2 played volleyball, basketball, and soccer. How many played one or more of the 3 sports? So when we were in class, we worked with some Venn diagrams and used some clues to try to figure out how to answer these questions. So I just want to go through and kind of reinforce what we did so that you can work through some of your homework and be prepared for your test also. All right, so it looks like we're talking about students doing 3 different things. So that means that we're going to have 3 circles. And it also talks about some of them inter overlapping. So we have a basketball, I'll put B. We have volleyball, I'll put V, and we have soccer, I'll put S. All right, now when you are working with these, it is best to start with the where everything intersects first. So usually you want to work your way backwards from these problems. So starting with usually the very last line is going to be the one talking about what where they all meet together, and then working your way back up. So in doing that, the very last part of the statement says 2 played volleyball, basketball, and soccer. So that's where all 3 of these circles meet. That means we've got 2 people in that intersection right there. Now then, if I work my way backwards, it says we have 2 played volleyball and soccer only. So 2 played volleyball and soccer only. Doesn't say that they played basketball. They were only in volleyball and soccer. So we have 2 more in this little intersection area there. Now then it says that we have 1 played basketball and soccer only. So basketball and soccer, where those things meet, would be right here. And then it says we have 1 that played basketball and volleyball only. So basketball and volleyball only, not including soccer, would be this little section right in here. So we had 1 person do that. All right. Now, working your way back again, it says that we had 10 played soccer. So that belongs in this entire soccer circle. It doesn't say they played it only. It just says they played soccer. So we already have 5 accounted for. So we need 5 more in that circle so that we have 10 people playing soccer. It says we've got 9 people played volleyball. So that's in this entire V circle. So we already have 5 accounted for. So if we would need 9 total, we need 4 more. And now then we're working our way continually backwards. 7 played basketball. So 7 belong in the basketball circle. We already have 4 accounted for, which means we need 3 more. So now our question here is actually how many played one or more of the 3 sports. So 1 or more would be counting up each one of these. So if we count up each one of these numbers, that would give us 18 students that played 1 or 2 or 3 sports at Paxson Schools.